Welcome to online class. I am Kaji Ubaidullah Hassan, assistant teacher in English, Nundagar Ashrata Secondary School, Shamnagar, Satkhira. In my previous classes, I discussed about three kinds of sentences: simple, complex, and compound. But today I will show you how we can transform sentences from simple to complex or compound. It is very tough to you to change sentences from simple, complex, compound. But I will try my best, make it easy and simple to transform sentences. Dear students, if any simple sentence starts with in spite of or despite of plus verb ing plus others plus subject plus finite verb plus object. If you find this kind of sentences, that will be a simple sentence. And if you are asked to transform it into complex, then you have to use though or although in place of in spite of, and then subject plus finite verb plus others, another subject plus finite verb and others. In my previous classes, I told you that every complex and compound sentences there are two clauses. This one, subject plus finite verb plus others, it's a clause, and the another clause is here. So if the simple sentence starts with in spite of or despite of plus verb ing, you will have to use though or although in place of despite of. And then you have to repeat the subject, finite verb plus others, another subject plus finite verb plus others, such as if the sentence in spite of playing well, they could not win the game. In spite of plus verb ing plus well goes to others, and subject they, finite verb could not win, and others the match. This is a simple sentence. Now I will show you how it can be changed into complex. Dear students, you have to use though or although in spite of in place of in spite of. Complex, though this subject will have to be repeated. This is a finite verb, this is a non-finite verb, and now you have to change it into finite verb. They could not win the match. In the same way, in compound sentence you have to use but or yet in place of though or although or in spite of. If any sentence starts with in spite of plus verb ing, or any complex sentence starts with though although, these kinds of sentences are simple and complex. And if you are asked to change it into compound, you have to use but or yet just at the middle of two clauses, such as they played well, but they could not win the match. Okay? In the same way, if any sentence starts with because of plus verb ing, plus others, then subject plus finite verb plus others, this is a simple sentence. And if you are asked to change it into complex, then you have to use as or since or because just at the middle of two clauses, such as we will find here. I could not go to school because of my being ill. This is a simple sentence. Now I will show you how it can be changed into complex. I could not go to school. Now you have to use as, since, or because. You can use any of these three. As I was ill. And if you are asked to change it into compound, then you have to in this way you can change. In this way you can change the sentences from simple to complex, compound to simple. If you are given this kind of sentence and you are asked to change this simple, you have to follow this structure. Or you are asked to change the compound, you have to follow this structure. Today I have shown you changes of two kinds of sentences, from simple to complex and compound. In our next class I will show you how we can change some more sentences using some another conjunction or phrases. That is all for today. Thank you.